Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn some tricks to remember amino acids. Let's begin. So as you can see on the screen, there are names, short names, symbols and trick names. So there are 20 amino acids listed in the column of name and their short names, their symbols and their trick names. Now, for glycine, the initial is the symbol. You can see over here. For alanine, A is the symbol, initial again. For valine, V is the symbol. Now, for every amino acids, their initials are not their symbols. Like till methionine, we can see till methionine, M is the symbol, its initial is the symbol. But in case of aspartic acid, we can see D is the symbol. For glutamic acid, E is the symbol. For asparagine, N. For glutamine, Q. For lysine, K. For arginine, R. So likewise, their initials are not their symbols. For histidine, initial is the symbol. For phenylalanine, F is the symbol. For tyrosine, Y. And for tryptophan, W is the symbol. Now, all the 20 symbols, out of 20 symbols, only 3 symbols are a bit different that we have to remember. Only 3 symbols if I say, then those are basically Q, R and W. The rest of you can relate with the name of amino acid. Okay. So let's see the trick name. Trick name is, for glycine it is glue. For alanine it is all. For valine it is value or values. For leucine it is let, isoleucine it, prosper, proline, serine, share, threonine, thoughts, cysteine, systematically, methionine, meet, aspartic acid, aspects, glutamic acid, glued, asparagine and glutamine, gluing, lysine, list, arginine, argue, histidine, his, phenylalanine, final, tyrosine, trial, tryptophan, trap. Okay. Only I have read the trick names for respective amino acids. Okay. Let's go to the next page where you'll find only the trick name or those magical tricks for learning the amino acid. Let's go to the next page. On this page, you can see glue all values. So our first amino acids, glycine, alanine and valine. Let it prosper. Leucine, isoleucine, proline. Share thoughts systematically. Serine, threonine, cysteine. Meet aspects glued and gluing. Methionine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, asparagine, glutamine. List argue. Lysine, arginine. His final trial is trap. Histidine, phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. So please count, we have completed 20 amino acids. Just read this, just remember this sentence and you learn 20 amino acids. Okay? Thank you so much. So I hope this will help you guys for your better learning of biochemistry. Thank you so much. Thank you. We'll be back with new video on DNA structure and how to memorize periodic table. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. So for your queries, you can mail me at this mail ID or you can write on this website so that we can work accordingly. Thank you.